fellow coders, welcome back to our coding heaven. Today, we are diving into a game-changing tool designed especially for programmers using VS Code. Get ready to meet the Safurai Extension, a powerhouse that optimizes your code, identifies issues, and provides in-depth explanation. So, let's get started. Get ready to meet Safurai Extension or VS Code. If you are a coder looking to enhance your coding experience, you are in for a treat. This extension goes beyond the basics, offering optimization, issues identification, and detailed code explanation. Let's explore its setup process. First thing first, open your VS Code and click on the extension icon in the left sidebar and search for Safurai and install it on your VS Code. Once you have got it, click on the Safurai icon in the left sidebar of VS Code. If you don't see it right away, no worries. Give VS Code a quick reload. With the Safurai icon now visible, click on it. You will find the sign in option. Go ahead and log in with your email. The setup is simple. No need for a lengthy registration process. After email verification, you will need to choose your VS Code version. If you are using the classic and most widely used version, then go for regular. Your Safurai extension is now perfectly configured. Congratulations, the setup is complete. Take a moment to explore the Safurai interface. You will find new items that make your coding journey smoother and more efficient. And there you have it, the Safurai extension seamlessly integrated in your VS Code. Check the description for the download link and dive into a new era of coding efficiency. Subscribe for more tech tips and happy coding.